Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Melbourne public transport. First, you'll need a Myki card, which is your ticket to ride. You can buy one for $6 from train stations, 7-Eleven stores, or online. Remember to load money onto it before you travel. When you begin your trip, simply tap your Myki on the reader. At your destination, tap off to ensure you are charged the correct fare. It's a simple two-step process for every journey. Planning your journey is easy with the Public Transport Victoria, or PTV, app or website. These tools help you find the best route, whether by train, tram, or bus. You can also check for any service changes or delays in real time, ensuring a smooth trip. Knowing your destination and the zones you'll travel through helps you estimate your fare and travel time accurately. Once you've planned your trip, head to the correct platform or stop. Remember that peak hours, typically between 7 and 9 a.m. and 4 to 6 p.m., can be busy. Always offer seats to those who need them and keep your belongings clear of aisles. Pay attention to announcements and overhead displays for important information, like upcoming stops or service changes, to ensure you don't miss your destination. Melbourne's public transport system operates across two fare zones. Zone 1 covers the central business district and inner suburbs, while Zone 2 extends further out. Your fare is automatically calculated based on how many zones you travel through and the duration of your journey. For example, a 2-hour fare in Zone 1 costs $5.30. Always ensure you have enough Myki money for your intended travel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.